In this VA Smart Home training, I will show you an overview of the features available on the Smart Home Web Manager. I will start by logging in as a care provider. The first page we will see is the main page. Each item on this page is called a tile. My main page shows 7 tiles, and I can change these as needed by going into My Profile, found at the top of the page. Your profile allows you to turn on and off tiles that are viewed on your main page. I'm going to turn on the calendar tile by selecting the checkbox to the left. Click the Return to Main button to navigate back to the main page. Now we see the calendar tile on our main page. The calendar will show you any appointments which have been added through the Smart Home Web Manager or through your synced calendar. Synced calendar events will appear green, and those created through the Web Manager will be blue. You can view future events up to 2 weeks or view previous weeks by using the Week selector near the top of the page. To return to the main page, select either the back arrow or the participant ID. The Checkout tile will show a record of time spent in the community each week based on use of the green Checkout Check-in button on the mobile app. I will now show you the Daily Tasks tile. Here you can see a record of tasks for each day and use the Select Week calendar to view an upcoming task list or a task list in the past. Future tasks and task series can be modified by selecting the Edit button to the right of the task. To create a new task, select the Create Task button. View the Web Manager task training to learn how to create and edit tasks. The next tile we will view is the Documents tile. Here you will find training materials and other documents from the Smart Home team. In the Messages tile, you will find a record of messages by week, the time a message was sent, and the response time for each message. While task reminders are generated automatically, you can create your own message through the Create Message button. View the Web Manager Messages training to learn more about creating and managing messages. Let's navigate to the Task Compliance tile, where we will find a record of medication task compliance for the week and can also view compliance for home exercise tasks. Red indicates a scheduled task which was not completed, and green indicates a completed task along with the time in which it was completed. The records for home exercise tasks identify the date and time of incomplete tasks and the date and specific time of completed home exercise tasks. You can use the Week selector to select weeks in the past to view historical compliance. The To-Do List tile is where you can view, create, edit, and delete to-dos and clinical goals. Clinical goals are indicated by a star. The additional icons represent a file attachment, video attachment, or a web link, which are accessible through the mobile app. View the to-do and clinical goal training to learn how to create these items. The last tile I'll show you is the Weekly Report tile. Here you can view detailed information each week based on time spent in the community, task compliance, to-do completion, and calendar events. For users with motion tracking, activity data is also available. If you have any questions, please contact support.